All right, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be having some fun. So today we're going to be taking a look at the grip case by dbrand for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now, not only are we going to be taking a look at this case right here, but we are also going to be drop testing the Google Pixel 6 Pro using the grip case by dbrand to see just how well this case is going to protect this device. Now, do keep in mind, I am not using a screen protector. Usually, with these tests, I do use a tempered glass screen protector, but this time around, I'm running the screen naked. I don't have a screen protector right now, so we're gonna see what happens. But just to tell you guys right now, right off the bat, this is one of the best cases that you can possibly get for your device. It's gonna give you some good protection while not adding, too much bulk to the device. And it's gonna give you some good style too, because you can be able to customize it by simply switching out the skins. It's as simple as that. You don't have to go and buy multiple cases to switch up the look. So we're gonna start off with the fun stuff first. We'll head outside, do the drop test, see what happens, and then we'll come back inside, take a closer look at the case itself and the device itself to see just how well it held up. So I'm done talking. I want to get this drop test started. Let's go have some fun. All right, so we have made our way outside. As you can see here, got a nice hard concrete surface here. And just to show you all really quick, yes, this is a working device. No dummy devices here. We like working with the real stuff. And I apologize, please excuse the echo. I am here in my garage. Now, when it comes to my drop test, I like doing real world accidental situations. So first drop test we're gonna do here, nothing major. We're sitting on the chair, maybe at a restaurant or something, or outside talking to family, talking to friends. We forget our phones on our lap, we get up, it falls. Okay, that landed pretty hard for the first fall there. But let me show you really quick. It doesn't look like any damage was done to this device, just my fingerprints and all that. Let me clean this really quick. There we go. Get a good close up here. So as you can see, no cracks or anything like that. Display is looking good. That camera is looking good in the back there. Just got my fingerprints. So far looking good. Next drop test we're gonna do is, we're walking along trying to put our phone in our pocket or in our bag, and we accidentally miss our pocket and then it falls onto the floor. Let's take a look at that, and still no damage was done. Look at that, just fingerprints there. Camera module still looking good. No cracks, no scratches. Looking good to me so far. Next test, we're talking on the phone. And with this case right here, this shouldn't happen because of how grippy it is. You're most likely never going to drop it out of your hands. It shouldn't slip out of your hands. But just in case, just say, maybe you're walking along and, you're talking on the phone and you trip on something. Oh, and it drops hard on the floor like that. Let's see if this case protects the device. Okay, so it kind of landed on its front, it looked like, and then, popped over to the back. So the camera is looking good. Let me get my face out of there so we can focus on the phone. Look at the display. Looking good. No cracks, no scratches. Let's see how it is performing. Still performing good. Look at that. Let's test out the camera, making sure, that works good. Ultra wide angle lens, ×2, telephoto lens. Okay, everything is looking great so far. So as you've seen just from those 3 simple tests alone, the case does such a good job at protecting this device. I can probably, throw it around everywhere. Let me throw it this way. This is fun. One more. Whoa. Okay, maybe one more. Okay, ready? Oh. Okay, that's it. It is still looking good. Look at this. Let me turn the screen off. Look at how good that looks. All you see is my fingerprints. No cracks, no scratches. Nothing going on in the back with the camera lenses. Looking good. Let's go ahead and test out performance real quick. Still performing good. Let's test out the cameras after all those drops. Ultra wide angle lens looking good. ×1, ×2, ×4 telephoto lens working good as well. So as you can see, if you accidentally, happen to drop your if you happen to accidentally drop your phone with this case, you're not gonna have to worry. Your phone is going to be protected. Like I said, it's giving you some really good protection, but it's not adding too much bulk to your device, and you get to add some style. But you know what? Let's go ahead and head back inside, take a closer look at the case and the device itself to make sure everything really is looking good, especially inside that case. So let's head back inside. All right, so we have made our way back. As you can see here, I got the phone with the case that was used for the drop test, got another case right here with a different skin on it, and I got tons of other skins right here to my left. But first we got to take a look at this phone with the case on it. So let's take a look at the case first, see if it took any beating or anything like that, maybe in the corners. Looking pretty good there. You can kind of see a little bit of scuffiness there. But I mean, it held up, it protected the phone. Look at that. So the skin that's on this case, dbrand actually installed that skin for me before sending it out. So very cool of them, huge thanks to them for doing that. And they actually sent out both cases and all these skins right here. So again, huge thanks to them for that. But no, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I just actually really love this case along with their skin. So let's take a close look here. As you can see, we're getting some good protection for the camera there. Got a nice camera cutout with just enough lift to where if you accidentally drop it flat on a flat surface like that, it's going to protect that camera. And then all the way around the edges of this case, you got a nice grip. I mean, the grip is perfect. It is not going to slip out of your hand, so you do not need to worry about that. You got a little design right here, kind of little ridges to help with that grip as well on both sides. And even the buttons have this texture on them to help you feel them better and to keep them nice and grippy as well, to help keep the phone from slipping out of your hand. And they are super responsive, as you can see there. Shout out to my dude Drew, leaving a comment right there. I'll comment back to you later, buddy. And then let's go and check out the volume rockers. As you can see, nice and responsive and super clicky. I love that. I love when you can hear the clickiness of the buttons. And then going up to the top, we do have a cutout for the microphone, as you can see there. Nothing to the left. On the bottom, precise cutouts for the microphone, speaker, and the USB Type-C charging port. And then going to the front, we got a big enough lip on the top and bottom of the case to where if you were to drop your phone flat down on a flat surface like that, it's going to give it some good protection. As you can see here, no damage is done to the display, no cracks, no scratches. It is looking good. It's still performing good, as you can see here. No problems with that. Let's take a look at the camera again. The camera was working good. All three lenses, look at that, no problems there. And you know, I did have someone ask me in a previous video, well, how about the speakers? Are the speakers still performing good? Well, let's check it out. Let's go into my recent video here. All right, here we go.
Here we're going to be doing a little 4K video comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max.
So as you can see, the speakers are working fine, no damage there, but overall, this is a great case. It's not going to add too much bulk to your device either. So you get to add some style with the different skins you can, apply to this case while not adding too much bulk to your phone. So you don't even need two cases like I have here. I like to have two cases because I have one that I put on for work, one that I don't mind if it gets beat up, and then another one that I kind of want to try to keep nice, while still protecting my device. So this is what it's going to look like. Let's take it out of the case to see if any damage happened behind the phone. Look at that. And the phone is still looking good. No cracks or anything on the back of the device. The sides are looking good. The whole device looks great. So the case definitely did its job at protecting this phone. And inside you got a nice soft suede material along with the dbrand branding right there. So definitely really, really nice. I like how they pay attention to detail when it comes to their cases. But let's go and see what this one looks like on the device. I actually really like this look right here. I like this overall matte color right here that we have in the back. And it goes really good with the black edges, the black camera module. Looking really, really good. And if you want to change up the whole look of your case, they got tons of skins to choose from. And this isn't even all of them that they have on their website. This is just a few. So you can see, look at that robot skin right there. Really, really cool. But this is just a few, so you can see how much they have to choose from. They got some for the cases and then some for the phone itself. If you don't want to use the case, you can apply the skins straight to your device. Look at that. I really like that camel black one. I might end up applying this one here in a little bit. And then you got a nice matte finish black one right there. And this is the one that goes with the skin on this case right here. And then you even have skins for the Google logo in back of the phone. So let me take the phone back out. See this Google logo right there in the back? Well, that's what this is for right there. And then you have different colors as well. Look at that. These are all Google logos. How cool is that? But definitely a case worth getting if you're looking for some really, really good protection and style for your phone, and it fits like a glove. I mean, this case is not going to fall off. I mean, it's on there really, really tight. I mean, it's not that it's super hard to take off of the device, you can see there, but it snaps on really good. So it's gonna stay on there nice and secure. Now, when it comes to wireless charging, we should have no problems there. Look at that. Starts up right away. So this is definitely wireless charging compatible. So this case is currently going for around 40 bucks on their website, which I definitely think it's worth it. I know it might seem like a high price, but like I said, you're getting a good quality case that is going to give your device some of the best protection that you can get for it, and for 40 bucks. So if you do find yourself interested in this case right here, along with the skins, I'll drop a link down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself. And if you do, let me know down in the comments what you think about it if you do get one for yourself. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, if you did like it and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.